In a few hours, Notka started to play with the balloons. She stopped fearing them and started to be interesting. They started to be interesting for her. Have a glance, she is playing by herself. Well, probably it's the thread on the balloon that attracts her. Notka is very curious, but uh, still she fears them a bit. Hopefully, the balloon will not burst, because she may be scared. She doesn't like loud sounds. She prefers a very peaceful atmosphere, joyful sometimes. But nevertheless, she enjoys sitting in a quiet room, while sometimes just listening to the music, still fearing.